What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to show everyone how I replaced this door handle on my 2007 Sprinter van. Broke the handle off, and I ended up taking this piece off right here because I paid for the part online and had to get it shipped, and in the meantime I wanted to be able to open the sliding door. So what I did, there's an access point right here for this piece. Okay, this is actually the new part, but what I did was I used a T27 and a magnet. Now if you don't have a magnet, perhaps you could use some thick grease, something that when you jam this in, it's gonna create a nice seal and you'll be able to extract it. Magnet works really well. If you drop this, it's going to go down into your cavity, and good luck getting it again. I've already replaced this seal, and when I broke it, now this piece broke off and the handle was just dangling, so removal is pretty simple. So installation is reversed. Put it in there and turn it. Slide this piece through. Now there's a trick to this. You have to get it back behind this door slide, and that's a little bit easier said than done. Now I have replaced this part already, so you just take a little patience, and you got to pull it as far forward as you can get it. But it'll go. Just don't break your brand new one. There we go. Alright, so I got that in place, and you see how it'll has resistance, so it'll open and close. Now this piece just pops right in. Tight fit. There we go. Too tight. Alright, probably just put a little oil on that, but it's sliding back on its own. Alright, now the fun part. Take this out with your fingernails or flathead screwdriver. Just dig it out, and seriously be careful with this piece. But you're going to need a couple of T-drives for this install. Alright, looks like I got it started. Doing this live. Maybe that piece will pull back, give a little more clearance. It's not a hard job, but if you do it wrong, you definitely cause yourself some grief. Alright, so this one is a T27, and underneath this, just to secure the gasket, was a T25. So I'll put a little grease on that. It's closing anyway. It's nice to have a good snug fit for water, but I don't think water's going to do too much for it. So that's it. It's a 10-minute job or less. The longest thing was waiting for the parts. Like I said, I just remove this piece, that way I can stick my finger inside and pull. and when you're pulling, you're gonna have to use the second hand to pull here, or sometimes on the back side, because this door shuts pretty tightly. Anyway, that's it. If you like that, please subscribe. Got a lot more fun videos, how-tos. Hopefully next one we can do is 10 kitchen hacks. That should be fun. Alright, take care, guys. Let's see if we can get a little action on this. Works perfect. Yeah, just add a little oil to it, that way it would slide easy. New parts and all. Anyway, take care.